How to log into Rumble account. So if you want to log into your Rumble account, then first you need to open up your Rumble application. So make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store, and then you can open up the application, and now you can simply go for sign in, which is on the middle of your screen. Once you tap on sign in, it will take you to the sign in page. Tap on approve, and once you tap on sign in, it will take you to this kind of page where you need to enter your username or your email on the first blank, and then you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, go for forgot your password to reset or recover your password. And then you can also sign in with your Facebook, Google, or Apple, or you can create your account by tapping on create one now if you don't have an account. But if you already have an account, enter your email on the first and enter your password on the next. Once you enter your password, tap on sign in, and once you tap on sign in, if your information is correct, it will sign you into your account. So that's it. That's how you can sign into Rumble. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.